Hello everyone, I'm Jay, and welcome back to English Life. In today's lesson, I'd like to teach you the pronunciation of some cat breeds in the United States. Before we begin, if you're new to our channel, or you haven't done so yet, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and smash the notification bell to keep up to date on our latest videos. Now sit back and get ready to say these cat breeds together. Please give it a try. Manx, Manx, Manx. Munchkin, Munchkin, Munchkin. Ocicat, Ocicat, Ocicat. Persian, Persian, Persian. Ragdoll, Ragdoll, Ragdoll. Russian blue, Russian blue, Russian blue. Savannah, Savannah, Savannah. Scottish fold, Scottish fold, Scottish fold. Siamese, Siamese, Siamese. Siberian, Siberian, Siberian. Sphynx, Sphynx, Sphynx. Turkish Angora, Turkish Angora, Turkish Angora. Did you find this video helpful? We upload videos on English pronunciation. You can find some of them here. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And if you feel it in your heart, please donate to our channel. Your donations would help us greatly. Thank you. Until next time, this is Jay, signing off. Stay safe out there, everyone. Goodbye.